In this video, you will learn 5 simple steps to organize your business so your team works faster, makes fewer mistakes, and has more time to grow. I'll show you examples in ClickUp, and the link for the best deal is in the description. Let's get started. Step number 1, create a clear business structure. A business without structure quickly turns into chaos. The most successful companies run on clear systems where everyone knows exactly who does what and where everything goes. Start by breaking your business into a few main areas. For most small businesses, these are marketing, operations, finance, HR, and customer service. Marketing is about attracting new customers. Operations is how you deliver your product or service. Finance manages money in and out. HR looks out after your team, and customer service keeps clients happy. In ClickUp, you can create a separate space for each of these areas. Inside each space, set up folders for your ongoing projects. This makes it instantly clear where new work belongs and ensures your whole team follows the same structure. Step number 2, put everything in one place. One of the fastest ways to create chaos in a business is to scatter your work across too many places. A task in email, another in Slack, a third on a sticky note. It's only a matter of time before something important slips through the cracks. Successful businesses know that clarity comes from having one central hub where all work lives. This hub should hold your tasks, files, conversations, and project updates. That way, everyone on your team works from the same source of truth. In ClickUp, for example, you can assign tasks, attach files, leave comments, and even chat with your team, all tied directly to the work they belong to. This keeps context and action together so nothing gets lost in translation. The goal here isn't to keep adding more apps. In fact, it's the opposite. The fewer tools you use for the same purpose, the easier it is to stay organized. Step number 3, track your most important numbers. You cannot improve what you don't measure. Every successful business runs on numbers because numbers tell the truth. If you want to stay in control, you need to decide which numbers matter most and keep them visible every day, not just at the end of the quarter. Start by picking 3 to 5 key metrics that give you a clear picture of your business health. This might include monthly sales, the number of new leads, how many projects are completed on time, or how quickly you respond to customer inquiries. Choose the number that directly reflect the results you're trying to achieve. In ClickUp, you can create dashboards that automatically pull in this data. For example, you could see this month's revenue right next to the number of open projects and any overdue tasks. This keeps important information in front of you at all times so you can spot problems early and make better decisions. When you build the habit of tracking your key numbers daily, you stop guessing and start managing your business based on facts. Step number 4, automate repetitive work. Before using any tool, take a minute to notice the tasks you do again and again. If you keep assigning the same work, updating the same status, or sending the same reminders, you can probably automate it. The goal is to save your time for work that actually grows your business. In ClickUp, you can set rules to automatically assign tasks based on keywords, priority, or where they're created. You can apply ready-made templates so new projects start with all the subtasks, deadlines, and checklists already in one place. And with ClickUp Brain, you can skip writing weekly updates. It can scan your workspace, pull the latest progress, and send a clear summary of action items and links. These small automations keep work moving in the background so you can spend less time on busy work and more time running your business. Step number 5, keep improving your system. No matter how well you set things up, systems drift over time. Projects pile up, files get misplaced, and processes that once worked smoothly start to slow you down. That's why the best run businesses build regular reviews into their schedule. Once a month or once a quarter, step back and look at how your business is running. Identify what's working well and what's getting in the way. Archive old projects, update your templates to match your current best practices, and refine workflows that feel clunky. The goal isn't to create a perfect system, because in business, there's no such thing. The goal is to keep a living system that adapts as you grow, so your business stays organized and efficient no matter how much it changes. So that's the 5 steps. Create a clear business structure, put everything in one place, track your numbers, automate, and keep improving. If you want to try ClickUp to organize your business, the link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching.